Hey, this is Taylor here with Truck World RVA. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2014 Ram 5500 Cummins powered truck, Aisin automatic transmission. Has an 11-foot Knapheide KMT-1 service body on it and a 7621 crane with a hydraulic compressor, one set of drawers. Really nice truck all the way around. The goal of these videos is to show you everything about the truck like you were here looking at it in person. So the first half of the video I'm going to be going through showing the cosmetic condition of the truck. Second half we'll be looking at the drive video, crane and compressor demonstration. So feel free to skip ahead if that's what you're waiting to see there. If there's anything that you need more pictures, photos, or information of, anything I don't touch base on in this video, you can call or text us anytime at 804-716-8487. The truck has just over 185,000 miles. It is four-wheel drive. Pretty clean truck all the way around. There obviously are going to be some cosmetic things that I'm going to point out. Area here where the paint's chipped off, it's been touched up. You have a crack in the paint right here on the cab. It does have cruise control, roll-up windows, vinyl seats, rubber floors. You have a rip in the driver's seat back here. Otherwise, the interior is pretty clean. There's your four-wheel drive, PTO, factory exhaust brake. And again, we will do a drive video about halfway through here. So if that's what you're waiting for, feel free to skip ahead. You have a dent right here on the bumper. Some rock chipping. Some areas on the hood here, along the front of the hood, one dent right here as well, rock chips. New tires all the way around, new steers and new drives. Full list of what we've done to the truck is available. I'll have that typed out on the listing itself. All of our trucks are on our website with full listings. 40 plus photos, so if you need more information you can check there or just give us a call. Again, it's 804-716-8487. You can call or text that number anytime you like. We did have bed liner applied to the front of the service body as well as the rear bumper. Otherwise, the factory paint is intact. The paint's still in pretty good shape. Really no rock chips or scratches we needed to address, so it still has the factory paint on the bed. Bin floors are all solid. A little bit of surface rust on some parts of the frame and frame rails. Nothing major. Just something worth pointing out there. Again, it's a Knapheide KMT-1 service body. All the doors close, latch, and lock as they should. We'll go through and inspect all these springs as well, just make sure they're all tight. All the seals are in good shape. This is your torch cabinet here, tall torch cabinet. Just a shot of the body tag. Little bit of paint peel. I don't know if you can see it just along the hinges. Pretty typical on these beds. We see it quite a bit. You have one little rust spot down here. Bin floors are clean. Nothing's being covered up. Just has that matting in it. Some shelves on this side. I might have said we put new rear tires on it, but we might not have. I'll have to double check. I know the steers are new, the rears look pretty well new, but they might not be brand new. Sometimes it's hard to keep track. Here's a shot of the load chart up here. 7621, 21-foot, two-stage hydraulic extension. The cranes run off a factory wireless remote. 7,500 pound maximum lifting capacity. your body controller, wireless remote. Hydraulic outriggers and a workbench rear bumper, 2 steps, factory tow hitch receiver there. You have your master locks on both sides, lock all your bins at once. We do have the keys for the service body, and all the locks are keyed the same, up and down both sides. Inside the bed, again, while you're watching this, if there's anything you want more close-up pictures, videos, or information of, it's 804-716-8487. You can call or text us at that number anytime. A little bit more paint failure here along this hinge and the spot right here where it's chipped off. Bunch of rock chips along this door, as you can see. Nice full set of American Eagle twist lock drawers. That's about it for the cosmetic portion. We'll get into a drive, cold start, run all the equipment. Again, if you have any questions, it's 804-716-8487. crane is run off a factory wireless remote, proportional with the trigger so you can control the speed. No slop in the rotation whatsoever. Crane's quick. All the functions work. Obviously, we'll run through all of them, but crane operates great. Maximum extension is 21 feet. It's a 2-stage hydraulic extension. And the maximum lift capacity is 7,500 pounds. Hey, I just wanted to thank you again for taking the time to watch this video. The goal of these videos is just for there to be no surprises when you come to see the truck, for everything to meet your expectations. So again, if you need any more additional information, feel free to give us a shout. This is all that we buy and sell, so if you're looking for something similar, let us know. We have a full lineup. We always have new inventory on the way in. Different configurations, chassis sizes, miles and price range. So whatever you're looking for, if it's a mechanic's truck, that's what we do. Give us a shout. We do have commercial financing available, and we can ship anywhere in the US. So thanks again for watching, and let us know if you need any help. 804-716-8487.